Hi mga ka-YouTuber! Andito ako ngayon sa labas at bibili ako ng mga ingredients sa pagluluto ko. Si Gerry Mendoza to ng Gerry89 TV Travel and Food Vlog. Magluto tayo ng pork chop in salt and pepper. Let's go! So, ito ngayon ang aking mga ingredient. 2 pounds of pork chop, already sliced it. And green chili, ayan, chinap ko na rin. Pepper, 2 spoon and minced garlic. And meron din akong salt at cornstarch. And I have 2 eggs over there. It depends. Let's see how we can use. Now, let's put the cornstarch. Just put for the 2 pounds. I think 2 spoonfuls of cornstarch will be enough. So, yan, nilagyan ko na. Tapos lagyan ko siya ng paper, yung kalahati niya. Kalahati din. I just left half only. And the garlic, just put the bunch of garlic chopped already. Yeah, just half of it, and salt, and then put the cornstarch now. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's put the other ingredient now. I have a soya sauce, so we put a soya sauce. Okay, and just mix it. I wear my gloves so I can mix it, and it's kind of marination. So, and I think I gotta just put the egg after this, and put a little bit more cornstarch on your liking. It depends how thick your pork is. You know, just kind of mix it. You know, mix it well, you know, and put the eggs now. I got 2 eggs. I think I just tried 1 egg only for 1 pound. I think it's more than enough. I don't want my pork chop too wet. So when I fry it, it will be more tasteful. I think I just put 1 egg, and let's see. And now, what's now for cooking now? I already preheat the pan. Okay, so let's see now what happened. So we're gonna start cooking now. So we're gonna fry the pork one by one. Yeah, I already preheat the oil. See? Yeah. So hold on. Okay, let's start frying it now. One by one. So see, the oil is a little bit hot now. So I'm just putting all my pork chops on there. It's already marination for like 2-3 minutes. That will be enough because we're gonna fry it again with the salt and pepper. That's why I called it pork chop in salt and pepper. It's very easy and simple cooking. Hope you like it, and please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, now it's a little bit frying, it's a little bit done. Let's turn it around, and we will see how it cooked now. So let's turn upside down, so we'll see how it cooked it. So it's almost done. This fry, so it's more tender now, And let's see. We'll show you more on this salt and pepper pork chops. It's done now after frying for a slow fire. Okay, let's see. Just watch and enjoy my cooking. Hold on. Okay, just now it's almost done, so we'll just put it on the plate, and we will put it in the plate one by one. And so we'll take the pork on the plate. So we'll take out a little bit of oil, and we will fry it again. Okay, let's fry it again. So we'll put some garlic again, and the one that we left, the garlic, konting garlic, and we'll put the salt, the pepper, pork again, and let's fry it again. Yeah. Okay, let's put the salt and pepper. I'm putting the little bit of salt, so we can mix the pork, and watch it. And next is the green onion, the chili, the chopped chili onion, so it will give more taste to the meat. And next is I'll just mix it and saute it for a while, and then keep sauteing it, and you put and mix put back the pork chop and mix it again, and that's it. I think I've done very well, and thank you for watching. Salamat po sa mga nanonood ng vlog ko. Ito po ang pork chop with salt and pepper. Just mix it until done and put it in the plate. Thanks very much for watching. Sana ay mag-subscribe kayo sa YouTube channel ko, at panoorin nyo lagi ang mga food vlog ko. Bye! Let's go and eat. Thank you very much for watching.